back to the railway station and wrapped up in the handkerchief in his pocket. ये हमेशा end moment पे इसके साथ होता है. Whenever he used to go, this Jerome is telling up his usual incident which has been happened up with the toothbrush. Okay, next sixth paragraph. Of course, I had to turn every mortal thing. Mortal means ordinary. Every ordinary things he has to take out and find out for that. Find out for that toothbrush. Okay, and now for finding up the toothbrush, he took out each and everything out of his bag. And I could not find it. And even that, after that also, he was not able to find out. I rummaged the things up into much the same state that they rummaged. Rummage means he searched up in such a way, in such a hurried way, in such a careless way, that he is saying that the things which were being created before the world was created, I have done the things, I have what he has done the situation of those things is telling up in that same in that way that कि जो पहले वर्ल्ड दुनिया जब बनी होगी उससे पहले की जो बात है उस तरीके से तो मैंने उन चीजों को कर दिया था. एंड व्हेन chaos reached means ruled. और जब गड़बड़ी पूरी चालू हो चुकी थी, when the all this chaos have been started up. Of course, I found George and Harris 18 times over, but I couldn't find my own. अब वो कह रहा है, and now he's saying that I found the toothbrush of George and Harris 18 times, but I was not able to find up mine toothbrush. I put the things back one by one and held everything up and shook it. मैंने हर एक चीज को ऊपर उठाकर देखा and then tried to shook it up. मतलब जोर जोर से हिला के भी देखा. Still, I was not able to. Then finally he was able to find up his toothbrush inside the boots. Boots के अंदर मिला. Inside the boots the toothbrush was there. Okay. And I repacked once more. Finally, he started up the repacking once more. When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. After when he had finished up the packing, what the George asked, George asked that whether he has put up the soap inside or not. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it wasn't. I don't care a bit whether it is there in the bag or not. I slammed the bag. Slammed means I shut with force. I shut with force. Write down slammed, the meaning of slammed, shut with force, and strapped it. Strapped means he fastened it up with something and found that I had packed my spectacles in it. And what he found now, after closing up the bag, after just packing up his bag, what he realized that he has packed his spectacles also inside it. And again he had to reopen the bag and take out that spectacles, and finally the packing was done at 10:05 p.m. Finally the packing was done at 10:05 p.m. And there remained the hampers to do. Now the Harris and students, and there the George and Harris reminded him that they have to pack up the hampers also. Hampers क्या होते हैं? What are the hampers? Hampers is a sort of a basket in which the food yeah, and eatable items are being packed up. Okay. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time. Now Harris said that we need to pack up the bag in less than 12 hours time, and thought that he and George had better to do the rest. And even they were thinking about it, their resting time also. If their packing will not be completed up with their whole night, they'll be doing the packing, how they are going to sleep, and how they are going to wake up in the next morning, because they have to leave up. Okay. And I agreed and sat down. They had a go. अब क्या हुआ? Now they both now the Jerome sat down, and both George and Harris started up packing the hamper. They began in a light-hearted spirit. बहुत easily, very easily they started up, and evidently intending to show me how to do it. Evidently means everything they were trying to show her. Evidently means clearly. Write down the meaning, beta. Clearly. And clearly he was trying to show them how they were doing. I made no comment. The author is saying he didn't make any comment. He just waited up. With the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world. Now, what the author is saying, that if you are going to leave George, keeping up the George on the one side, Harris is the worst packer in the world. Okay. And I looked at the piles of the plates. Piles means a number of plates, large number of plates, cups and kettles and bottles, jars and pies and stoves. He was looking all those things, and tomatoes and cakes and tomatoes, etc. And felt that the thing would soon become exciting. Now the author was waiting that how the things are going to become more exciting now, what sort of situations are going to come, and how the things will be getting more exciting, because he was very much confident that these both of his friends, George and Harris, are somehow going to create any of the nuisance in this. Okay. It 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 did. They started with breaking a cup. That was the first thing they did. Now initially, so they started up the excitement with the breaking of a cup. They did that just to show you what they could, and the both of them did that, or you can say broke up the cup and showed to the author that what they can do it, and to get you interested. And uh, they were creating an excitement and interesting things for us also. Don't you feel that the story is very interesting? So many humorous things are happening one by one. Once the poet is once the author is forgotten up his boots, pack up the boots. Again he forgot to he's trying to remind of whether the toothbrush is being packed up or not. After that, closing of the or packing up the whole bag, he again reminds that he has packed up his own spectacles. He again open that, again take out those spectacles, keep them in, take them outside. And these are the things which happened up in the whole chapter. If they are going to ask you what were the humorous things, you are going to write up these things only. Okay. They did judge the Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. Now what Harris did? Harris kept the strawberry jam bottle, the bottle which is very heavy. He kept it on over the tomatoes, and the tomatoes got squashed. पूरे squashed हो गए, and they changed up into a sort of a puree. They had to pick out the tomato with the teaspoon. Now, after keeping up the jam bottle on the tomatoes, they were now taking out those tomato puree with the help of a teaspoon. And then it was George's turn. Now the George's turn was there. He trod on the butter. Trod on means he stepped on. He kept his foot on the butter. See, you can see it in the picture also, what he has done. All you can see, I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. Still, after this thing also, when he got trod on the butter, he didn't said a single word to George. Wait. Stepped on, yes. Jatin Parani. Uh, and Fahid Ahmed. Are you not getting my voice, beta? Is there any problem in that? Jatin? Very low voice. I can't speak more than that. That's my high pitch I'm talking so. I'm explaining you so in such a high pitch. Check up your settings and all. Maybe you are having any problem. Jatin, please check that. Okay, check it up. No problem. So now what happened? I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table. Now see, you can see in the picture itself, the author is sitting up on the edge of the table and watching them very interestingly. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. And when this author was sitting up over there on the edge of the table, that sort of expression of the Jerome or the author, you can say, was the most irritable one for the whom? For the George and Harris. I felt that it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things. And what Jerome felt that it made the things it made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on the things and put things behind them. And what they were doing, sometimes putting up the things back of them, and sometimes they were stepping on and couldn't find them when they wanted them. और क्या हो रहा था, बाद में वो भूल जा रहे थे कि where they have kept the things also. They packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top and smashed the pies also. Now what was there? Pies. They packed up the pies as a sort of a eatable thing. They kept it before that in the bottom of their hamper bag, and on the top they kept up various heavy things. So what happened? The pies got smashed. Sorry, they got broken up. So they were not able to understand. They even don't know how to put up the things, how to keep the things, whether the heavy things should be kept on top or at the bottom, or the lighter things should be kept on the top. So these are the things which were which are being shown up in the this chapter one by one. How the packing is is such a horrible thing for them. Yes. Okay, students, so we'll be doing up till here only today. Till here, till the ninth paragraph. If you are having any of the problem, you can ask me up. Any problem? Yes, Fahid? Any paragraph you have not understood, you can ask me. Yes, beta, wait. Fahid. Yes, Fahid. Yes. Unmute yourself.
मैम रमेश का क्या मीनिंग होगा?
Remaged.
हाँ, RUMMAGED.
The meaning of that ramaged word is searched in a hurried or careless way.